No, Shaman, save him from nigga. No, Shaman, look for that man, save him from. I want the people to be here. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Rush Ramore review. That's an Alfa Romeo just passed there. Not sure how many of you viewers know that car maker. Yeah, I don't think we can see it anymore, but I think there's only one Alfa Romeo in Jamaica. So welcome back to the channel guys. If you're new, remember to subscribe for more content. Subscribing is free. We are at the Barbican Road. This is the finished road improvement project. So just taking a quick look. Definitely leave your comments. Remember to like and share as well. So Barbican Road, finished road improvement project. Alright, so over here is a massive property. I think it's well due for some good development. It's right beside the ILO in Barbican. So it's an empty land space. Alright, so let me know what development you think can come on this empty property right here. What business or complex would be a good fit right in the Barbican area. Alright guys, remember to subscribe, leave your comments, and see you on that next video.